Today I'm going to show you the solution to the red, yellow and purple line puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is inside level 47, so I'll tap on 47. And then the puzzle is located in this other room. Okay, so once you're here, then tap down below and then tap in the middle, and there we go, play this game, and there is the green, yellow and purple line puzzle. Now what I've done, I've actually put all those little hexagons in the right spot, so you can see there that the yellow, we follow the yellow path, that connects up from one side to the other, and so the same for the red path. And then the purple path, there's just 2 hexagons that have to be moved to complete the purple path from one side to the other. So what you can do now, if you want to solve this puzzle, you pause on the video here and then just work through your own puzzle, moving your hexagons into the right spot, matching up with what I've got here. And then once you've finished, which is what I'm going to do now, you'll solve the puzzle. So if I tap on that cell there and move it to there, then the puzzle's solved, and that's it. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.